Our two winter projects, the 851 and the Yamaha DT400, but let's talk about the 851. Just finished it, MOT'd it. I've just been for a couple of miles ride on it. It rides really nice. I used to ride a 916 SPS, so much lumpier than this. This one would suit me much better as I'm older. But we've got it all done, it's not looking bad. Would you like to hear it? The jingle jangle. Lower the tick over a little bit. But no, that one's fine. That one's ready to go. Customer should pick it up today. The DT, we've got it all done. I had some issues with the tank, so I put some sealer in. We rode it round for a little bit and it started weeping again on one of the seams, so we're just going to get another tank for it, a new one, and paint it. And that one's ready to go as well. Looking good, I think.